Good evening. It's February 27 already. It's almost the end of the month. A couple of days to go. A bit late today because my devices seem to have some difficulties with my audio routing. So I had to make some adjustments to get that to work because it was not good. Let's start the show. Welcome back. What are we going to do today? I think we are going to make some updates on my website www.softtestingsoftware.com. So let's go to the code window here. And as you can see, I also updated my Visual Studio. To the version 17.9.2. Developer news, Visual Studio full year in review. Also released today. Let's see what's in there quickly. Supercharged Visual Studio 2022 with GitHub Copilot chat. I also need to look into that as well. Many things happening here, blah blah blah, GitHub. James want map now. Help us improve, yeah. Because we're in a live stream, we're not going to do that now. Let's just open up Visual Studio here. Open the website and see what we need to do there. Also go to GitHub. Oh, we also have a new browser version. Everything is new today. GitHub. Oh, we still logged in. That's good news. Have a look at this. I think we also have a project on this thing. My projects. This is software. Let's see what's in there. Update NuGet packages and .NET version. I think we did that last time. Let's open the website first. This one. That should say no changes, if I'm correct. Fix API. I'm on a new branch. Sync. Let's see if it's all up to date. Add new certificate. Fix API. Let's go to master. Oh, there are two changes there. Synchronized. Make a new branch. Updates 2024 0227. Create. Let's have a look. Go to GitHub. Where's GitHub? There. Update NuGet packages. One line. Happy Tuesday. It's a beautiful day for programming. It sure is. It was a little bit late because of my audio problems. I updated my Visual Studio before, but running into issues every stream. Every stream has new surprises. Why is it locking my browser now? Come on. Yeah, it's back. At least I'm here again, yes. Good to see you too. You have 12 streams open again today. So update NuGet packages and .NET version. Let's have a look at that. We have some news in here maybe. NuGet, NuGet. Manage NuGet packages. Nothing. Yeah. It's a bit slow today. Yeah, terrible. Blazor local storage is the only one I think that was not ready for .NET 8. Apparently there's already a small update for YouTube. And for the token bearer thingy. WebAssembly. Select all. And disable the local storage thing. Let's have a look at the local storage thing a little bit later. Entity framework. Let's update all of this to see if it's still working. Apply. Let's see if that's an .NET 8 ready already. This has a dependency for .NET 8 now. Yeah, but it might be .NET 8.0.0. At least it says 8.0.0 bigger than, higher than. Let's first see if it's still working with these updates. HTTP client. Should remove all the breaks in here. That's the API. Yeah, it should also use the HTTP tester in the application. We are live apparently, so that's also working. The schedule, we need to put something on this page, because if I go to Twitch, I think it's not in here. Completely empty, I guess. Is it? Oh, it is actually in here. So does it put it in here anyway if you don't schedule all but just start streaming? It will also show here. Guess so. Yeah. The only difference is that no one can prepare to watch the show then. The gear is still working. I need to update the gear a little bit, because I now have a Stream Deck with the dials on it as well. if you have something scheduled in the slot, this will overwrite it when you go live. Okay. I think that's the same with if you go into the YouTube thingy. If you put a time in there and you don't start it, starting later, then it will adjust to that. So, and this is not used anymore at this time. And this one is not used because I use the Go XLR. I will update that offline, I guess. My contact pages need to be in there, not my Twitter page only. It's also pointing to my personal one, not that soft AI software. It's not soft as in software because it's too long. That doesn't exist. In software, this is too long. Maybe they changed that. Is that now allowed to have more than just this? Now I have this one. It's possible to change the alias. Well, never mind. We'll have a look at that later. This one should change. In here. Twitter. What's this? Mock data. Okay. Oh, and this is part of my application setting. So I can change that on the fly, I guess. Should be on my app settings, I think. Where are my app settings? No app settings. Where are my app settings? Let's to be sure. Secrets are on. It's not in here, so that can go. Oh. Didn't have my all files shared. Back to the live code there. The captain has turned on the secret lights. Please return to your seats and buckle up. Yeah. With code orange. Where did I put my... It's hard coded, okay. I think it's only 2 followers now because I created a new profile for that. Save. And it's not called Twitter anymore. So what's the proper way to name that? Is that like ping me on X? Or is it called X previously called Twitter? My X page sounds quite peculiar. I think that's a good option. Twitter. That's like the artist formerly known as Prince. Well, that's just a small, tiny, quick fix. Or Twitter now X, yeah. What do they say on Twitter? X. Even the URL is like Twitter. How do we reference Twitter pages these days? That's a nice one with the special X character. Yeah, this is not what I was looking for. Maybe I should change the prompt a little bit. Now that Twitter uses the X as its brand, how do I reference my Twitter pages today? I don't think this is going to help us tweet Twitter X. Last name, username, tweet, message, Twitter X, date, post, URL. Remember to replace Twitter with Twitter X to reflect the updated branding. What is Twitter X? You could do on X. Twitter X is the rebranded identity. Popular social media platform Twitter. Replace the logo with X. The stylized X logo. That's basically this one. Represents. It's a mathematical symbol known as black letter capital X. It belongs to a Unicode block called mathematical alphanumeric symbols. Okay. In this case, the X represents the capital X stylized form, and it's commonly used in mathematical context to denote variables, matrices, or other algebraic. That's a difficult word for me as a Dutch person. You might encounter in mathematical textbooks, research papers, and specialized software. Remember that the appearance of this symbol can vary depending on the font used, but its meaning remains consistent with mathematical notation. But if you look at this, looks like it's the name, the actual name as the brand is now Twitter X, but it's still using the logo, just the logo, instead of the little bird. On July 23, Twitter replaced iconic blue bird logo with stylized X logo and removed the Twitter name from its websites, apps and headquarters. Here's what you need to know about Twitter X. Twitter X. It also sounds a little bit strange. Even if you hover over it, it's not showing anything. At least according to Bing, maybe read through its links references called it Twitter X, yeah. TweetDeck, popular Twitter dashboard program. I used to use that. Has renamed to X Pro. The browser version still uses the usual twitter.com URL but carries the X branding. So by Tech Radar. You would kind of expect some links specifically to X or to Twitter X or Twitter or whatever. So this is also Tech Radar. Trusted reviews. So maybe the best option would indeed be something like copy this, copy, and then go to the studio there and replace that. I think I also have in my about page, I think a Twitter thingy here, there. Oh, back here. In context, I'm sure people understand that you're referencing to the app formerly known as Twitter. Yeah. The app formerly known as Twitter. The app formerly known as Twitter. Tafcat instead of Tafcap, like Prince. The artist formerly known as Prince. Tafat. It's difficult. And I think I'll use the logo on my about page. Why is it showing all these temp thingies? Is it a cache or something? On the pages. No, I think I created a component from that. Component here. Social button component. There's nothing in there. Oh yeah, but let's set to this one. It's a button Twitter. The button Twitter is part of... Actually, do you want to know what the right answer is to this? We are designing the landing page for the stream app, including having the social media links section. Yeah, indeed. But yeah, for that reason, you kind of expected some statement by Twitter itself. Also, the bootstrap thing is quoting like copyright 1119 Twitter Inc. They were part of his assets that he bought, I think, but we're 5 years ahead now. What's the bootstrap version used in here? Let's see if we have something in there like clients. Doesn't have. Maybe that's because it's running. Client side, not the user secrets, client side libraries. Yeah, this is what I ran into last Thursday as well. I created this from a Blazor template, and the Blazor template it does have Bootstrap in the application. So if you go to root and you have this like library, there's the CSS, there's Bootstrap. This is included by the Blazor template. But this is a big old one. So I would kind of expect to have a client asset in here as well. Let's first look for Bootstrap. That's the open iconic. That's the other one. This one. I think I remember that the icons from Twitter are in here. Is there a link to this? View the collection. What? Doesn't exist anymore? Really? Open iconic. Started looking out to other icon sets. And last week I had been looking at Fluent UI, but I'm not sure if there are branded icons in there. So something is has happened with Open Iconic. This looks like it's cancelled. Let's do some querying on that as well. I can use this one. Yeah, might have been disappeared. Font as Awesome has a copy of it. I think I used Font Awesome also somewhere. See, that's also in there. That's in here, indeed. Was that in my client setup? It is. What's the latest version for this one? 651. Font Awesome. You put a link in your thingy there. Copy. I said copy. Copy. Oh, open it out. You're right. What happened with Open Iconic? Also use Iconify? This is a way to see all the icon sets. That's the great thing I find in live streaming, is that you get all these suggestions. Oh wow. There's the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is booming today. Last couple of weeks already. That's version 5. What was I using? Version 4? No, 5. So 6 is not in here. I like it because I can just grab SVG, yeah. The downside, okay, there's the Fluent UI thing. I wonder if that's the same as the one in the NuGet packages. There's a Twitter thing in there. That's Xamarin. Yeah. Right. Let's find it. This is remix. Bootstrap. This is Bootstrap. And it's called  Oh, you can filter on this. Is it animated? Wow. There's font awesome. FA6. Do we use brands right now? There are brands in here, but it's 5. Let's have a look. Close all but this one. Save this. Let's see what's happening. I think this one is from Bootstrap. Or is my own? That's my own style sheet, maybe. It's this one. FA font awesome. Yeah, that's the one. Font Awesome 4 is so 2017. Is my website that old already? I don't believe it. Here's called just FAX Twitter. And a class is called in here, it's called Fab. But according to this, it should be FA Brands. Let's start with this one. This is FAX Twitter. Oh, no, it copy it. Twitter. No. Oh. Twitch videos are frozen. Really? Well, my screen is still working. Like my live stream? On my thingy page, it's still going excellent. So I'm not sure. Let's see what this one is saying. No. There's this bang we had last week. We also discussed this with Scott. That my bitrate seems to be too high. Set the bitrate value to less than 5,000, but it's you can't set it on Restream. I'm going to echo probably. No, not. It's still working. Now we get this Inception thing. What's TwitchCon? Is that showing on Twitch? Europe? I think so, Rotterdam. Where is that? Hey, you should visit TwitchCon Europe. Oh, there's Rotterdam. Indeed. It's like June 28th, 29, 30. Interesting. Now let's close this before it's getting out of hand. This is still working. Frozen edit. Okay. FA Twitter. Let's go back here and find Twitch. FA Twitch. That did not change. And the other one, YouTube. FA YouTube. That did not change. It's interesting saying fab. That's in there as well. Fab, FA brands. So is that backwards compatible? Let's have a look how this, if it's still alive or not. Oh, my internet is spotty. Okay. So is it your end? That's the API. That's not good. Oh, there it is. Control F5. Looks like it's updated. This one is pointing to the right one. But two following. Retry. Wow. Did I never post. Why is it so? Yeah, this is the my website, obviously. This is the old one. This is the live one. Why is that so slow? It's not even loading for some reason. There it is. This is the old one. Look, it's a little bit different compared to the other ones. Why is that different? Let's have a look. It's exactly the same style, if you ask me. The view box size is a little bit different. 18 by 16. 16 by 16. Data FAI to SVG. What's that? That's the SVG formatting of the thing. Oh, now it's the same. Magically turned it to the same now. Here is using this one. That's not on this one, I think. Where's the about thing? We close all this. About page. There's the social button component. There's the Credly thing. I'm not sure if that's still. Can we do something like see if we can do that. Put it on the end, not at start. Well, class should be at start, I guess. Hi sir, Abdul Waisa al Nuaimi. If I'm pronouncing it properly, because it's completely, for me it's a different language. Where are you from? don't see any changes in here. What if I move this to there maybe? Five. I see you're on the YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of this. I stream twice a week, unless I'm on holidays or whatever. Oh, that's different. Interesting. I find it kind of funny with the big thing around it, but let's have a look here. What if we put that into the div? F5. What? Is this glass on the other one? The other one's still available? Oh, I did not remove that. That's interesting, the things around it. I actually wanted to have it on the images itself, but oh, but these are solid, they're not transparent, I guess. Well, for now, let's leave it on. I don't think it's that bad. Also need to find a different font, I think, to do this. So schedule, something that I need to change a little bit. I actually want to have a mechanism to be able to connect the all schedules together, because it is visible on this one. If I schedule all the video, it's visible on this thing with a label on there. But it's not a label. What's it called? Well, this little thingy on there, and then it's mentioning coming up or something. It would be nice if you could automatically get the scheduled items in the page as well. I also think that a lot of these links are no longer working anymore. Let's see if this is working. That's still working. But I also found one, for instance, the Stream Deck. That's the Mark 1, the first one. I think that's, yeah, that's a great one. Sorry, doggy page. This is Scout, Meet the Dogs of Amazon. Shiva dog. I think it's funny. Does it repeat the same one if we go twice? Oh, you get a different one. Yeah, so even those links should be fixed. Because this product is no longer available, maybe in the Netherlands. In the Netherlands it's still available. Well, it's not available, I guess. Yeah, it's not. It's saying in Dutch that it's not available. At least you don't get the doggy here. Maybe we don't have Dutch dogs. Lucy. I can go on for ages with these waffles. So here. It's still working. Cannot be shipped to my location. Let's see if the A64 is still available. It's unbelievable. Still, this is only the body for still 898. That's expensive. I think I bought this one with the 50mm lens. Well, the other one, this one probably. Not that much more expensive. What's the accessory? It's like the vlogger kit. It's just the stand and like a memory card. Oh, okay. I think this is the one I'm using right now over there. What's this? What's the difference? I don't know. Oh, I'm drifting off again. Let's have a look. There's the gear. The contact page should be. Oh, that's now changed as well. My X pages. Sign into. Why? Why is it redirecting to the login screen? Interesting. And I also think yeah. Well, for now, let's leave it. I want to bring in the contact page in here. This is my blog page. Maybe I'm integrating that as well. Also need to post something there. Idea page is still empty, and the about page, well, I just updated that, the X thingy there. This is now showing XO1, so how's that possible? I didn't expect that. Powered by. Because it definitely said 802 in here. So is the framework description not updated? Looks like they did not update the framework there. Let's check that on this one. NuGet packages. Oh, it's still running, so it's not able to open that. NuGet packages. It should show 802. Except for these ones. One update. We can see if we now can open this. Let's go to the website. Four 450. A singleton Blazor web assembly only. 99% of the developers want to register Blazor local storage using the method described above. However, in some very specific scenario, the developer may have a need to register a service as a singleton as opposed to scoped. This is possible by using the following method. Where's the compatibility here? Seven, 8. Bigger than 8. It's 18 days ago. Well, we can try and see if it's working or not. Otherwise, we have to go back to 420. Apply. F5. Let's see if it's working. This all seems to work. Still the powered by is set to 801. Let's go to powered by. Framework description. Go to GitHub. Learn.microsoft. Where can we find this on GitHub? Maybe. This is just the documentation. There's 4.7. Four seven. No. Go back. Issues. Kind of surprised that it's only showing one item here. These are the well, the fat clients. .NET Core. There's much more here. Man, I just got off a Zoom call and didn't have any buffering or latency or anything, but the Twitch streams are still being weird on me. Can you put the YouTube link in chat? That's actually... I think it's just HTTPS. Oh, you can go into the website. If it's still running. There. Copy. Not sure if that works or not. It should work. Oh, echo. Oh. Started streaming 74 minutes ago. Okay. I was searching on here, manifest. Looks like it's all streaming, yeah. I hope so. Where did it put, would they put the 801? Maybe I can search for 8.0.1. No. January 9. But it should say 802. Let's search back and find 802. Release notes 802, February 13. It's like 2 weeks ago. But it still says that the, what is it? The runtime information class is still set to 801. No. Copy. That's nowhere near there. 8 here, 8, 802, 102. What does it say in here? Terminal. Set terminal. I'll restart. .NET. First version. .2. List runtimes. It's also only 802, so why is my runtime information saying 801? I think it's a buggy thing. I don't really want to create a bug for this. It will be solved anyway, I guess. Preview, this one was at 201. Not sure what the runtime for this one is. It says 802. Never mind. I will live with the 801 in the footer for now. Blazor local storage looks like it's still working. What if I, let's see if this is done, I think. Fix security headers. Ooh, that's an F. Really? That's bad. That's bad. Question is how you should work on your security posture immediately. Start now. Yeah, and then missing headers. So strict transport security. It's an excellent feature to support On your side, strengthen your implementation of TLS by getting the user agent to enforce HTTPS. I think I already enforce HTTPS. Copy. Google. Blazor. How do we do this? Use HTTPS redirection. Port configuration. Port must be available is for the middleware to redirect an insecure request to HTTPS. If no port available, redirect does not occur. App settings.json. There's my Visual there. So this should have something like port. Copy. That's the API. Move that after there. That's not right. Should be done like so. And 433. Like so. And with that, not is development, then serves as HTTP redirection. Program CS, exception handler, use tag files, user routing. Copy. .NET. 8. Let's learn a bit about this. It's causing many redirects. I wonder if that works if you... There's the app builder. Routing is these days is part of this thing. What's the other option that we needed in there? Content security policy. In the head content apply directives described in policy. Client-side Blazor apps. Head content. WebAssembly. The app component. This is a weird stream, works fine on another computer connected to the same network, but not on my normal PC. Something blocking your stream? Head content. The app component, app razor. Oh. Where's my studio there? App razor. It says copy. In the app components head content, do we have a head content in here? We don't. No, I did restart the modem and the router. I guess the main difference is that the computer is hardwired and this one is Wi-Fi. And the Wi-Fi is working or the other one is working? App.Blazor. Content. Internet is both working, both of them. It's just doing any kind of streaming. Spotify, Twitch, YouTube doesn't work. On the one connected, okay. So if you switch to Wi-Fi, it's also blocked. It's kind of confusing where to put this. Add content and page title. Add content. So what if you want to put it in everything? Add outlet. I think I need to do some reading on this to just find out what to do with that. Enforces content security for .NET Blazor client side. Policy server side, client side. The head content apply the directives described in the policy directives section. An additional script source or style source hashes are required as required by the app. I think I need to do some reading on that first. Let's take this out again for now. And it's 10 PM now, so I also need to wrap it up. Let's see if we can deploy this. Let's first have to look at all the changes in here. Project should be updated to the newer version. Yeah. The Twitter buttons, and we have a lot of things for the fonts. Contacts was changed. Font awesome, that's a lot of changes. And removed also a couple of things. SVGs are now gone. That's interesting. Some fixes and bumped to new .NET version 8.02. Commit all async. Push. Let's go to the browser. Let's see if that's all working. Why is shark time? Yeah. I wonder what hacker is getting in between your streams. So the version updates, then icon updates, Twitter updates, font awesome, what's all of this? Font awesome, same thing. Let's see if this is working. Create a pull request. Checking. Now I'm hoping that the website's not falling over. I also should check the Sonar Cloud issues. Let's go to GitHub here. Go to projects. This is software. Let's have a look here. This is all the Sonar Cloud stuff, I think. clean up old .NET Core versions on the live coder VM. I think I have done that already. Add a new tag to the current running video. I think that's also done. Let's see if it's showing in here. It's showing live. But it's not showing new, I think. Create a user secret option. User management. Search engine optimization. Check the score. Oh. Copy. Is it scan? Yeah. D. Strict transport security. I can need some updates here as well. Thank you for following Cronin43. It's still not showing your name on the banner. I'm not sure why. Also, if you're on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for joining the stream here, Cronin43. Are you also from Norway, Denmark? Let's see how this is going. We have 3 checks right now. Romania, okay. How's the weather in Romania? Is it cold? Add auto log off. Okay. Should timeout. Check the expiration of JWT token. Something I need to do. If YouTube is deleted, then yeah, then the website is failing. Feels like summer, really? 20 plus degrees? I guess it's now in the evening. 20 plus degrees, really? Wow. What? Let's just focus on Europe, not in Europe. Come on. Weather. Weather. Europe. I'm in Amsterdam, like 3 degrees Celsius. That's not much. Timisoara. Soara. Oh. That's now in the evening. There. That's close to the Black Sea. 20 degrees. Wow. That's real high. At least compared to us. Go to here, Amsterdam. Why is it not showing Amsterdam? Here it's showing Amsterdam. Go away. All these ads. 3 degrees. Yeah, so we're looking at like 10, 11. Even compared to for the time of year, that's a little bit high. I think we usually are around 6, usually this time of year, February. Let's see if the thing is ready already. Sonar Cloud is not ready. Because it's not following the quality gate. Snow in Romania. I can imagine it to be really cold at this time of year. Let's have a look at the Sonar Cloud thing there. Why does it say 0% is coverage on new code? Terrible. C reliability. I need to really change my code a little bit more. It's interesting. Pull requests. Well, the previous one was 70 days ago. That one was actually succeeded. So I'm not sure why it's failing in between. Well, the code is not that much different. Yeah, it's complete. So we should see. I'm going to merge it anyway. Let's see if we have an 801. That's still working. We do have a new thingy there. And it's showing the Twitter thingy there now. So I did update on the website as well, so I'm going to merge this one in. Confirm the merge. And deleting the branch. Okay, so close that, but we need to, let's see, Sonar Cloud, is that in here? No, so we need to put something in there as well. Add item, check, Sonar Cloud, results, quality, score is too low to pass the bar. So put it on the to-do list there. So many things on there, even without the content change. Control F5. Let's check this. Schedules unchanged. This should be changed. That's changed. Twitter thingy is now going to my other Twitter account. It's not showing for some reason, but that's my personal one. That's also redirecting. Okay. What you can do is log in quickly. Twitter. Copy. Multi-factor code. You need really need some new followers there. Let's post something there. Minor updates to soft as in software.com. Changed the Twitter X logo for 1. Let's see if we can copy that in. Oh, here. Twitter. Should be some text in there as well. Here, there. Moved that to party. Celebrate. Where are the party things? There, party. There. Yeah, should be more active on this one and not so much on my own. There's much more on here. Good, everything checked in. Let's close it up a little bit here. Close with studio. We should switch to main again. Master. Still called master, my master branch. Let's sync that. Yeah, good. Close. Close. Security thing, we need to fix that. Let's GitHub. Close. I find it interesting that the what was it? Open iconic that no longer exists. Good. It's 10 p.m. 10:15 p.m. A little bit later than 10. I had planned to go on stop on 10, but I also started a little bit later because my audio routing was not working properly. Not sure why that happened. I did get an update for, what was it, the wave link from Elgato. Apparently they moved my configuration around. So let's go to the main screen here. So we updated the website a little bit on some minor features. We changed the font awesome version to incorporate the new Twitter logo and some other minor things, looking into all sorts of things, a lot of chit chat. Thanks for watching. I'll be back on Thursdays, that's in 2 days. And then we are going to continue with the Office add-ins and preparing that to create a pull request into the official Microsoft sample repo to show off the add-in commands, basically the commands that you can use by clicking the ribbon item without the task pane UI. You can actually trigger C# functions from within the ribbon as well. So see you Thursday. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the follow also, and if you're on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you like these videos and want to see more of that. Thanks everyone, and see you in 2 days. Bye bye.